Hello viewers, welcome to the Standard 10 subject Science. In our previous video, we have started the chapter number 2 Acids, Base and Salts. In this chapter, we have completed the activity 2.1, activity 2.2 and activity 2.3. We have performed and we have also observed, and from that activity we have learned the reaction between acid and base with the metal. Today, in this video, we are going to continue that topic, which is reaction between acid and base with metal with the help of activity 2.4. So, in this video, we are going to perform the activity 2.4. In our previous activity, in our previous video, we have taken the acid, the dilute sulfuric acid. In this video, we are going to perform the activity with the base and the metal. So let us start the activity 2.4. So the process is same as the activity 2.3. First of all, place a few pieces of granulated zinc metal in a test tube. Add 2 ml of sodium hydroxide, it means NaOH, solution and warm the contents of the test tube. Then repeat the rest of the steps as in activity 2.3 and record your observation. So then we have to do all these activities that we have performed in 2.3. We have to take steps same. Then we have to observe the activity 2.4. So the observation will be same. We get base plus metal, it gives salt plus hydrogen gas. So here you can see our base is sodium hydroxide, it means NaOH. Then we have added the zinc granules, so that is a metal. Then we are getting the salt, which is sodium zincate, and we get hydrogen gas. So that is a reaction between base and the metal. So base plus metal, it gives salt plus hydrogen gas. The chemical reaction takes place, can be written as 2NaOH, which is aqueous solution, plus Zn. It gives Na2ZnO2. It means sodium zincate. It is a form of salt, plus H2, which is gas. You find again that hydrogen is formed in the reaction. However, such reactions are not possible with all metals. So you can use the metals that can perform with the acid and base. So this activity is same as activity 2.3. In the 2.3 we have taken acid with the metal, and in the 2.4 we have taken base with the metal. So from both activity we can learn and we have observed about the reaction between acid and base with the metal. Hope you have understood very well. Thank you.